Looks like the Moose Lodge. Oh, there's parking. All right. Oh, where's this going?
I don't know. Because we're done now.
All right. Do you want me to go off
No,
this
we
bridge?
can do whatever you want. Well, then we could just leave.
Let's get off the island.
We saw enough.
Yeah.
I have enough for the kids. This is Cortez.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, their favorite fish places.
Yep. Right over here. Tide tables.
Oh,
look at those
man.
condos. Either these boats survived or something. You got them straight. Oh no! Look, there's two capsized boats right there.
Yeah, oh, jeez.
Oh shit.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, look at that pier. It's just
I know,
fucking
this
destroyed.
is-
Even the public pier is not available, but boy, that's destroyed. Holy crap. Yeah, I think we went to that bar and we watched the fish come in.
That's the other mobile home park we wanted to live in.
Yeah, that's the other
By
one.
tide tables.
By tide tables. Oh, look at the pier for tide tables.
shit,
It's
man.
destroyed. Well, I got a guy who just can't fucking figure out how to go.
I know, this is recording. We're totally swearing.
Hey, tide tables.
I guess I will put this on YouTube. Oh my God.
A lot of cars. It's
Nice.
excellent.
Okay, excellent. Awesome.
They're
I love
open.
tide tables.
Nice.
Okay, perfect.
Nice. Well, then that mobile home park took a beating. Look at all the crap over here on the side of the road. Look at all this crap.
Okay, I'm gonna go over to Hunter's Point over here, and is this the
This-
Margarita? Where's Margarita?
Margaritaville's right here, up on the left. Oh no, that's a boat.
Oh, I think we
place.
passed Margaritaville already.
No.
Okay.
I think Margaritaville's on the north bridge.
It's over. Oh, maybe. Okay.
Because we came off on Cortez.
Okay. Huh.
Okay.
Okay, there's nothing.